How to ignore calls without blocking. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open calls, which is phone app, and then select the contact you want to ignore calls of without blocking. Scroll down after you've clicked on the contact. Now simply you'll find send to voicemail option. If your voicemail is not available on your country, it will show you busy. Instead of blocking, they will think your calls are being busy and not blocked. And this is how to ignore calls without blocking. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.